Welcome back, dream builders and future shapers. I'm Mark Protus, and today we're diving into something that's more powerful than you might think. Creating a vision board that actually helps you transform your dreams into a reality. Have you ever noticed how much clearer and more achievable a goal feels when you can actually articulate it and see it? Whether it's a fitness transformation, a dream home, or a career milestone, visualization isn't just a feel-good exercise. It's a powerful tool for success. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 proven steps to create a vision board that genuinely works. Not just a pretty collection of pictures, but a strategic tool that will help keep you focused and motivated all year long. And stick around till the end, because I'll share a secret technique that turns your vision board from inspiration into action. Let me share something personal. When I first heard about vision boards, I've got to admit I was skeptical. I thought they were just another trendy self-help gimmick. But then I hit a point in my life where I was feeling stuck, and I was working hard but not moving toward anything specific. That's when I decided to give it a try. And what happened next surprised me. Within 6 months, I had achieved 3 of my dream goals, simply because I could finally see them clearly every day, and I took small actions toward those goals. So before we dive in, grab some supplies. You'll need them for this one. And don't forget to check out the link in the description below and join our community to take your career and your life to the next level. Now, let's begin with our first step. As Walt Disney once said, all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Let's start building that courage by getting crystal clear about what we want. So step 1, define your vision with clarity. Here's what most people get wrong about vision boards. They start with the pictures before they're clear about their dreams. It's like trying to build a house without a blueprint. Your vision needs to come from your heart, not from what looks good in a magazine. I learned this lesson when creating my first vision board. I filled it with gorgeous pictures of opulent things because that's what success was supposed to look like. But when I really thought about what I wanted, it was much more about impact, freedom, creativity, and connection than any material things. Now it's your turn to take action. Hit pause right now and let's do what I call dream mapping. Take out your paper and divide it into 4 sections: career and business, personal growth, relationships, and lifestyle. Under each heading, write down what truly matters to you in that area. Don't censor yourself. This is your vision, not anyone else's. When you've got your dreams mapped out, come back and we'll turn them into visual inspiration. Step 2, gather your vision tools. This is where we start bringing your dreams to life. Think of yourself as an artist, and these materials are your palette. You're about to create a masterpiece for your future. Here's a pro tip I wish I knew earlier. Don't limit yourself to traditional magazines. Vision boards can include anything that speaks to your dreams. It could be quotes, personal photos, ticket stubs for meaningful experiences, or even small objects that represent your goals. So time for another action step. Pause the video, gather your materials. You'll need a poster board or a cork board or digital canvas even, magazines or printed images, scissors and glue or digital editing tools, markers or colored pens, personal photos or mementos, and anything else that inspires you. Let's move to step 3, select with purpose. Now comes the fun part, but don't let the excitement make you rush. Every image, word, and symbol on your board should have meaning and purpose for you. When I created my most successful vision board, I spent 3 hours just selecting images. I kept asking myself, does this represent what I truly want? Or is this what I think I should want? That distinction made all the difference. Your turn. Pause the video and start your selection process. For each item you choose, ask yourself, does this genuinely excite me? Does it align with my core values? And can I see myself working toward this? Only keep the items that make you answer yes to all 3 questions. Step 4, create your power placement. This isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about creating a visual story that your brain can connect with every day. I discovered the power of strategic placement when I reorganized my vision board mid-year. By grouping related goals together and putting my biggest dreams at eye level, I found myself naturally focusing on them more throughout the day. Here's another action step for you. Pause the video and lay out your items before securing them. Create clusters of related goals and put your most important dreams in the center, or at eye level, and make sure everything flows in a way that tells your story. Take a photo of your layout before gluing anything down. Sometimes seeing it through a lens gives you a fresh perspective. And step 5, activate your vision. This final step is what separates a powerful vision board from a pretty wall decoration. It's about bringing your vision to life through daily interaction and intentional action. The biggest breakthrough in my vision board journey came when I started spending 5 minutes each morning really connecting with it. I'd choose one element and visualize not just the end goal, but the next step I could take that day. Let's make this concrete. Pause the video one last time and create your vision activation plan. For each major element on the board, write down one immediate action you can take this week. Schedule a monthly check-in to track your progress. And plan how you'll celebrate small wins along the way. Now, picture yourself at the end of the year. You're looking at your vision board, and instead of just seeing dreams, you're seeing memories, proof of how far you've come. Some goals are checked off, others have evolved, but more importantly, you've grown into a person who can achieve these dreams. And here's something powerful to remember. As Nora Roberts said, if you don't go after what you want, you'll never have it. If you don't ask, the answer is always no. And if you don't step forward, you're always in the same place. If you're ready to dive deeper into turning your visions into reality, hit that subscribe button and join our community of dream builders. And don't forget to check out that special offer in the description. I've created something special to help you implement everything we've covered here today. Remember, you've got this.